Hello! It's time for some fun recipe. Today's recipe is eggless dark chocolate cake in a cup. A 1-minute microwave easy dessert. You will need 1 cup that's microwavable, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, and a microwave. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon cacao powder, and 5 tablespoons of milk. Mix all the ingredients together. Mix very well. Make sure that there are no leftover lumps of flour and powder in the mixture. And when you're ready, put the cup in the microwave. Set your microwave into 1000 watts and bake for 1 minute. If your microwave does not reach 1000 watts, set the time to 1 minute and 15 seconds. Easy to prepare and easy to bake. Eggless dark chocolate cake in a cup. Best served fresh to experience the fudgy chocolate goodness. Baked for kids and baked by kids. For healthier options, replace normal milk with lactose-free oat or almond milk. Replace normal flour with oat or gluten-free flour. Normal butter with plant-based butter. Enjoy! For more recipes, subscribe now.